guys, here we go, the little 62 Nova. Now this car came into us for just bodywork and paint. It was not a frame off. All these cars don't have a frame, they're unibody. But it just came in for body and paint. The owner's still got a few parts to pick up for it to finish it off himself, but she's all done. So he went with a beautiful gray. This is actually a Viper color, 2014 Viper. You can see how straight Sean got them lines. Looking good there, and Bruce was on this one. There's a tag team on this one. So it's looking awesome. A little different wheel the owner's got on there. This has got a Mustang 2 front end in it. As you can tell, it's got the cowl hood on it. This is just a nice little driver for him. The owner bought this car. Someone had already started on it. Then he played with it a bit. I believe it had the big block in it. Then the owner put the Mustang 2 front suspension in it. He's got disc brakes on the front. Still got the old drum on the back, but he's got a newer rear end in there. You know, pretty much basically stock inside. He's even got the radio delete plate. He's got to finish off the interior. He's got to put carpet in it, headliner, all that kind of good stuff. Like I say, the owner's just coming to grab it, take it home. It's up to him to finish it off now. So, gorgeous reflection in the paint job again. Jared did an awesome job like he always does. Let's see if we can't pop the hood here and let you guys take a quick look. Now we didn't do nothing under the hood either. Remember, like I say, this was just outside body and paint only. Hang on a second here, let me set this down. There we go. That's about it. Chrome and all the moldings are still original from 1962, so they're not 100% perfect, but they're what we would call quality for driver. If you're building a nice car as a driver, the chrome is good enough for a driver. Definitely not show car winning chrome, but hey, nice, clean, have fun, jump in it, take his family out, go for a good rip, and definitely this car will smoke the tires all day long. So that's it, people. Another one is leaving us. 62 Nova hardtop. Ready to hit the streets sometime this spring. Okay guys, well, we're going to take off now. We're going to get on to the next one. And remember, it's always a good time and old time.